Did you form an opinion to a reasonable degree of professional certainty, to medical certainty, as the cause of death of Cora?
Yes.
And what was that?
Asphyxia.
And was that by manual strangulation?
By strangulation.
Mechanical strangulation, I mean.
Yes.
Did you also examine or do an autopsy on Dawson Clancy?
Yes.
And when was that?
January 25th.
And did you observe injuries on Dawson Clancy when you did the external examination?
I did observe injuries to Dawson. He had trauma to his neck with associated injuries of the head, as well as minor injuries to his left arm and his legs.
And if we could pull up photo 2166. What are we seeing in this photo?
This photo is a picture of the lower lip of Dawson being pulled down, and we can see, again, similar to Cora, these petechial hemorrhages on the inside of the mouth.
And can you also see them on the eyes in this photo?
You can see periorbital petechial hemorrhages, so the skin around the eye.
And were there also those same type of hemorrhages when you lifted the eyelid?
Yes.
And if we could have photo 2149. What are we seeing here?
Dawson on his neck, similar to Cora, had a linear, horizontally oriented ligature furrow consisting of an area of pallor around the neck. He had distinct superior and inferior edges to his furrow as well. This is on the back side of the neck, where we can also appreciate abrasions that are in line or parallel with the inferior and superior edges of the furrow.
And if we could have photo 2147, please. What are we seeing in this photograph?
In this photograph, we can appreciate the distinct area of pallor here on the neck, again representing the ligature furrow with diffuse petechial hemorrhages of the skin of the face.
And what are we seeing there on his shoulder?
This is just some dried body fluid.
And if we could see photo 2151, please. What is depicted in this photograph?
This is a similar photograph to the one just shown here, where you can see the distinct area of pallor representing the ligature furrow with superior and inferior edges, and again, the diffuse petechial hemorrhages of the face.
And these photos of Dawson's face, the petechial hemorrhaging on the face, appear to be darker than those and more expansive than those on Cora's face, correct?
They appear more prominent in Dawson than in Cora, yes.
And what can cause the damage being more prominent and more dispersed over the face?
Again, petechial hemorrhages occur as a result of rupturing of small vessels in the skin. And so the fact that there are more present in Dawson is indicative that there were moments where some blood did reach or push through the furrow or the ligature in little spikes or peaks, which would just result in momentary increases in blood pressure that would result in more petechial hemorrhages.
And what would cause that blood being able to flow?
Any movement against the carotid arteries. The carotid arteries are thicker and more muscular than the veins, so they're more likely to push through with the blood. So that could be movement of the ligature or movement of the person handling the ligature or movement of Dawson himself.
So it could be from Dawson struggling, or it could be from more pressure or force of the ligature?
Yes, changes in the pressure of the ligature.
And if I could see photo 2143, please. What are we seeing in this photo?
This is the back of his left forearm. It is a little pale with the light, but there were 3 small bruises on the back of his left forearm.
And going to photo 2155. What are we seeing in this photo?
This is a picture of us. So at this position, Dawson is face down, so we're looking at the side of his right leg, and we can see a small faint bruise here.
And then going to photo 2144. What are we seeing in this photograph?
This is an up-close photograph, but I can appreciate that there are small bruises in the center of the image.
And photograph 2156. What are we seeing in this photograph?
In this photograph, we're looking at the back of the legs. The one closest to us is the left leg. The one farthest from us is the right. You can see bruises